I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Good morning everyone. So, maaga kami nagising. Today tayo dito. Early morning walk, tsaka hindi ko rin alam kung ano. Pero yun, yung 4 na bata tulog pa, so kaming 3 lang ang lumabas kasi maaga kaming nagising ngayon. So ayun, samahan nyo kami kung anong gagawin namin ngayong umaga. Bye! Go side. Go side, Mama also will see. Okay, so magbe-breakfast muna tayo. Dito daw tayo magbe-breakfast sa Cafe Munza. So ayan. Tayo na, ay baba come here. Okay. So yun, so dapat kung gusto nyong sumama ng sasabihin namin sa mga bata mamaya na next time kasi maaga kayo magising para makapag-breakfast kayo. Ayun. So samahan nyo kami sa loob. So ayun, tapos na kami. Tinawagan namin yung mga bata kung ano yung gusto nila for breakfast. So ayaw naman daw nila. So nag-order na lang kami ng sandwich para sa kanila. And then ayaw nila, mas prefer nila yung Indian breakfast kasi sa English breakfast siguro. Yan. So ayun, so hinintay na lang namin and then uuwi na rin kami after this. What cheese?
She ate a lot.
Yeah, I eat a lot. and he also eat a lot
Then she's going to Zumba, burn some calories,
and add more calories.
and eat some more calories.
Baba, what did you eat?
I'm eating bread.
What did you eat?
Bread.
Bread and egg.
Egg.
Scrambled egg. Yeah. So bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Please don't forget to
Bye.
please don't forget to like and subscribe. So ayun, thank you so much for being with us again today. And I hope you will have a blessed Sunday everyone and enjoy with your family. Stay safe pa rin, and kung gusto nating lumabas, so have some extra precautions pa rin. Bye-bye! Thank you so much. Bye-bye!